Garlic is a really versatile vegetable to have in any kitchen. And the great thing about it is that it's very simple to grow, and I'm going to show you in this video how to do it. Fortunately, growing garlic is a very easy task, and you can begin doing this towards the end of this month right through to November, and you can expect to harvest these around late June of next year. So you'll need a dibber and of course some garlic, and you can get these from your local dobbies. Now I'm going to be using the dibber and just making holes about 2 to 3 inches deep and 5 to 6 inches apart. I'm now going to get the garlic, and it doesn't matter if it's up or down because the plant will sort itself out, and drop these to the base of the holes that I've created. The other good thing about garlic is that it's very low maintenance. And the only thing you have to do is keep these weed free, and a very easy way of doing that is if you have a lawn and you cut your lawn clippings, then you can place these about a 2-inch layer around the garlic plants just to suppress the weeds. Once you've harvested your garlic, you just want to hang it up somewhere dry for about a month, and then after that you'll have garlic ready to use. And the great thing about this is that you can always keep a couple of garlic bulbs separate, because the thing about garlic is you can keep on regrowing it. So the garlic that you got last year, you just pull it apart and you can see the individual cloves, pull them away, and you can plant these straight into the ground again to have garlic next year. And that's one of the things I love about growing your own food. It's this multiplying effect. You're having something that's delicious, and it's so much fun to be able to harvest it.